Welcome to the module on cleaning and summarizing data in tables. The first activity is around exploring our data. First, you're going to open up the Google Sheets app. And here I'm opening up the data set that was shared with me at the beginning of the course. And I'm going to make a copy of this into my own Google Drive by simply adding my name to the end of it and navigating to the folder where I want to save this file. When I'm done, I just push OK. And here is the data set that was shared with me. I'm going to zoom in so we can see it a little bit better. I'm just putting my cursor in different cells and navigating around. The first thing I'm going to do is highlight this column A and show you how to make the columns wider if we want to. And this is the little button that will appear when we highlight a column. Just hold on to that and drag it left, right, and change the width of the column manually. You can double click it to automatically fit to the width of the column. Now let's try freezing this column. Again, I'm going to click on this A, and that's going to highlight the whole column for me. And then I'm holding my finger down on A, and it's giving me this menu. And I navigate to the three buttons, push freeze, and now you'll see that when I scroll right, it's frozen there. I do the same thing again, hold my finger on A, select the three buttons, and then unfreeze it, and you can see that it's gone away now. The next thing we're going to do is hide a column. Let's hide column E, which is the household size. So hold my finger down on E. It's going to highlight the whole column. And I get this menu, click on three buttons, and go down to the hide column option, and you'll see it disappear. So if you look here, we have D, blank, F, and there's these two arrows in between. If I click on those two arrows, my column E will reappear. It's helpful to hide columns that are not relevant for data cleaning that you know you're never going to use in your analysis, just to keep things tidy. The next thing we're going to do is filter columns. I'm not sure if you saw in the last slide, I pushed the three buttons in the top right, and now these down arrows are appearing in each of the header columns. And when I click on those down arrows, the sort and filter options appear. I'm going to show you how to sort from A to Z. So I'm currently clicked on the date column. As you see, I'm scrolling down and it's now sorted from October 1st through October 3rd. Okay, and now I'm over in the teams column, and I'm going to show you the select all, clear all buttons so that I can just click on a particular team that I want to see. So right now there's blue, green, there's a bunch of different colored teams. And all of those teams are listed in this little area below. I'm going to clear it and then select green. So let's do that. Push clear. Now nothing is selected. I push green. Only the green team observations or rows are being shown now. And I can change this up. I'll change it to just the orange team. Here's the blue team. I'm going to select all again just to make sure we have all of our data visible. So it's just hiding data that we didn't want to see. That's all that the filter is doing.